What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another What's in the Shop video. Today we've got Scott and Scott. These two absolute monster of Trackhawks just got both the same package, father and son duo type of thing. And we're going to be showcasing Scott's Grand Cherokee Trackhawk today. Now this vehicle, with its yellow Brembo brakes, got the absolute works. It's got a full front of paint protection film and Icon Rocklear on the back of the vehicle. Come and check this thing out. It's so glossy. It's going to be so easy to maintain for Scott, and it's also super protected. So what we did is we started off with our full front of paint protection film. We did a full hood, full two fenders, full front bumper, the headlights, the grill piece, and the mirrors, and we threw in for free the partial A-pillar. So it's a little piece of film that goes up to the partial A-pillars. Now, with this film, what sets us apart from every other shop in the whole nation, okay, is that we wrap every edge that we physically can. So we took out pieces like these two sprayers, we took out the vents here, and we even wrapped the sides of the door into, or the sides of the fender, into the door. So no matter what, your finger will never ever catch on the film and peel it up, which is awesome. Comes with a 10-year warranty and protects against rock chips, dings, scratches, scrapes, you name it. The entire front bumper is covered. Looks absolutely phenomenal. Now, after that, we did from the doors back, including the roof, what we call Icon Rocklear, which is better than a ceramic coating. It's 25 times thicker, 75 times stronger, 30% glossier, and 20 times the UV protection. What Icon Rocklear is it is the world's first self-leveling clear coat that you put on a vehicle, and it's got hydrophobic properties like water beading, water sheeting, 10-year workmanship warranty, as well as so much protection you can even scratch it, and it will have rock and scratch resistance from keys up to 30%. Let me walk you through the process. So we started on this vehicle, this beautiful Trackhawk, with a full wash and decontamination. We did a wash and decon, full foam wash to remove all the main dirt and grime from the vehicle. Then after that, we did our iron decontamination to remove any iron particles, any brake dust, any road grime. Then we did a clay bar treatment. If you haven't heard what a clay bar is, clay bar removes any embedded contaminants in the paint. Stuff that you can't really see with your eyes, but you can feel with your hands. After that, what we went ahead and did is our wax off treatment. Now what wax off does is wax off actually removes any waxes, any sealants on the vehicle, any dealership stuff, anything that could be right on top of the clear coat that our coating would interfere with. Okay? Of course, it's for 10 years, so we want to make it last, right? So after the wax off, which comes from South Korea, we're the only shop in the entire state of Indiana that I know of that does wax off. Gets applied on, washed off. Your vehicle's been washed now 3 times. And then what we do is we tape all of the plastics and all the trim pieces off, and then we coat it. Before the coating, if there's any deeper scratches, we will absolutely remove all of them. And Icon Rocklear fills in up to 98%. So no matter what you're looking at, whether that's GM black paint or a vehicle like this caliper, absolutely swirl-free, scratch-free, oxidation-free, you name it. It is absolutely free of all the defects. You can look directly into the light, pull it out into the sun. There's no swirls. It's absolutely phenomenal. Icon Rocklear packages are quoted in person only, as well as paint protection film, both starting at $2,000. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 219-533-8783. You can also shoot me a text at 219-966-2119. Again, call me at 219-533-8783. You can visit us on our website, www.attn2detail.info, and just always ask for Aaron. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching, and enjoy this montage of the Trackhawk.